Welcome to another tutorial. Today we are looking at how to sell on Jumia. So today I'm combining two tutorials here. First I'll show you how to sign up, and then of course later I'll show you how to upload your products and process an order. So let's get right to it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So the first step, if you want to sell on Jumia, is just go to jumia.co.ke, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then you can come here to make money with Jumia, and then click on sell on Jumia. Now it will take you to this landing page. So there's nothing special going on here, but it tells you a lot of information about what you need. For example, when you sell on Jumia Kenya, you will be reaching over 4 million customers, and also the most important part here is 40% of Jumia sellers make more than 50k per month. So if you're lucky, you might be among that 40%. Also, something worth noting here is that Jumia also has some tutorials and shows you what you need to do to make money selling on their platform. As you can see here, Jumia University. So if you don't know anything about selling online or e-commerce, of course Jumia will hold your hand and take you step by step. Now before we look at how to sign up, let me take you step by step how it works. The vendor is you, of course, and then the Jumia is Jumia. Yeah, so you are the one who holds the stock. Yeah, so you're the one who stores the stock, you're the one who packs the product when you receive an order, and then the Jumia will deliver the product and handle after sale services, and then of course customer service. So beyond, after you've delivered your product to Jumia, they will just drop it to your customer wherever they are. And then after that, they'll just handle the customer service, and then of course after sales service. Then at the end of the month, they'll just send you your money. Now there are some fees associated to this service, so it's not free, because they will take a cut of whatever you make from selling with them. But of course we'll look at that later on. Just to start selling, of course, after clicking the button we saw earlier on, just click start selling. When you click that, you'll come to this page. So there are three things you need to do here. So you need to fill information about your seller account, fill information about your business, and then of course provide bank account information. So inside here also you'll talk about Jumia will be paying you through two methods. So they can either deposit to your bank account or sell you to your M-Pesa. Now under the seller account, you will provide the shop name. This will be visible in the so let me look at an example here. So I'll pick a random product. Okay, let's get this one. So if you look at this section here, Magical Line COD, so this is the shop name. So what you type here will appear here. Yeah, then of course now choose whether you're an individual or a business. So you can sell either as an individual or as a business, and the good thing is you don't need to have a license or registered business to sell on Jumia. All you need, the only document they will ask from you is, I think, your ID and your KRA PIN. Once you have that, just fill everything here, go to the business, provide the location of your business, the office location. So you can just provide, some necessary. Now, once you've done that, your account will be reviewed, and once you're accepted, of course, now you can start selling. After that, you need to log in. So to log in, go to sellercenter.jumia.co.ke, and then of course you will need your email and password to log in. So let me log in. Now this is how the platforms looks like. But I've learned that they're working on a new system. Yeah, they're working on a new system or on a new platform. So this might change, in the coming days. But as for now, this is how it looks like. Now, if you want to upload products, so there are a lot of patterns here, but you will learn them when you need them. So for now, if you want to start uploading your products, you need to know about this section here, labeled products. Just click, and then there's this drop down. So manage products is the pattern you can use later on once you've uploaded products, to see the list of your products. And then add a product. So this is a part you can use if you want to upload single product. Yeah. Then import products is where a pattern you can use if you want to upload a bulk of products to Jumia. So for now, let's upload one product. Click add a product. Once here, just click create a new product. And then now, once you're here, there are two, if you're new, you might see one category here. So you can just click browse categories. But, once you've added at least two products, I think this pattern here will appear, most used categories. So for me, as you can see, I deal with headphones. That's why you're seeing this, pattern here appearing, or this category here being suggested. So if you're new, just use this section here, browse categories. Now you need to think carefully, or you need to tread here carefully, to choose the right category for your product. So assuming you're selling books, say self-help book, you need to find the category which is under books, movies, and music. Then you look at the category that goes hand in hand with your product. So for this, it's motivational and self-help. Yeah. Then you can now click select. Now some others will still need something, will still need another category. So if you look at the fiction, it takes us to another level. But for motivational, sometimes it just that's it. Then click select. Now once you're here, there are 4 tabs that you need to fill. There's the product information, that's the name of the product, the brand, model, and color. You fill it here. Then there is the more product details, product pricing, and then the images are the final. Now as you fill your information, you will notice this content score here going up. It's 0 now because I haven't added any information. But if you want to, you can use it to guide you on what to write at a specific time. As you can see, the X here means it's missing. Yeah. So you need to add it. And once it's green, it's a tick green, it means, you've done your good job. So for now, as you can see, it says title characters, it should be between 50 and 60. What that means is name of the product. So if we paste it like that, the score should go up. As you can see, it's 52. It's called 52, which means it's between 50 and 60. So I can say here, books. And then of course, I'll say now save as draft. The next thing I need is the product, more product details. Now, what you need to know here is that if you see a star next to a title, it means it's required. Yeah. For example, here we need the brand and name. Yeah, which means model and color are optional. Depending on the product that you're trying to upload. Now here, choose the tax class. Under the product information, make sure you provide the weight, and then of course, if all the other things apply, provide as well. For product description, it's this is it. So what you provide here will go here. Yeah, so make sure it's detailed. Then the highlights. I think the ones that goes here under the key features. So make sure you also provide that. What's in the box, that's if it's something in the box. Care label, that's if you need something special to care for the product. Then additional information, product warranty, and you select a group there. Now once you're done, click save as draft, not to lose what you've written. Now let's talk about the pricing. Now here, what matters here is the SKU and then the price. Yeah. So you provide the SKU, just fill anything here. What helps you, track your products. Under here, provide the quantity that you have, and then the price. As you can see, there's a star. It means it's a must. You need that to provide that. Now, what's interesting here is that the price and the sale price are different. So the sale price is this. So let me scroll here. You see this? This is the sale price and this is the price. What does that tell you? So if you have an offer on your product, you need to input here the discount. So if you're selling a product, the normal price is 1,000, but you're now selling it at 800. So you just type 1,000. Then the sale price is 800. Yeah, that's it. Now, so it means the sale price should be lower than the price. So this is the discount. Yeah. And of course, if you want to schedule for this to disappear and go back to 1,000, you can just enter the dates here, the sale start date and then the sale end date. That means this is here. What you're doing here is you're setting when will this expire and go back to the normal price. Once you're done, upload the product, and under the Jumia guidelines, the product should have a white background. So what you can do is just take the picture of your product under a uniform background, remove that background, and then use a software like Canva to add a white background. Once you're done, just click submit and finish. What happens from here is the product will go through what you call the QC, that's quality control. What they do is just look at the information that you provide, that you provided everything the customer will need to make a purchasing decision. Now, once your products are approved, you can come here under products, manage products, and then you can see the number of products here. Now, what's important is this, the feasibility. If you see an X here, it means that product is not feasible on Jumia. And if it's a tick like mine, it means it's feasible. What this means is the customer can view it on Jumia and make an order. If it's an X, it means it's not feasible, and it means like something you need to do. Now, once your product is feasible, it means you can receive orders. And as you can see here, for me, I happen to have one order right now. So let's see how to process orders. Now, when you receive an order, just go to manage orders. And then here is it now. Now, when you see this order, just click here, ready to ship. And then the product, then you create and package next and next. And then that product will move to ready to ship. So that product, the status will now move to ready to ship, and then you can follow those products here. Once they are here, you can now print. Just click the label here and then click select this print all documents for selected items, and then click here go. Then of course now you can print the documents that will accompany that product. That includes the delivery note, which shows the customer, the number, and the location. And that's it. So if you want to learn more about how to do it here, you can use these buttons here, Jumia Vendor Hub. So this section here contains everything you need to know about creating, managing, and of course commissions. So maybe we can look at the commissions for now. Come here and click commissions. Commission varies depends on the category. So this is how much Jumia takes. So for example, if you're selling phones, they take 6%. If you're selling fashion, they take 20%. If you're selling diapers, they take 15%. Yeah. So for me, because I'm selling headphones go under this. I think audio and hi-fi, they take 10%. So if I'm selling it for 3,000, they take 300 from that. And that's it, guys. If you have any other question, let me know in the comments. Bye for now.